Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll guide you on how to create Google Flights shortcut on your desktop, making it easier to plan your travels with just a click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, launch your web browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser, and normally you have to type on the address bar google.com/flights. So I'm typing on the address bar google.com/flights. Press enter. And now if you want to create the shortcut of this website, you have to click on the top right corner three-dot icon and scroll down until you see cast, save and share. Hover over there and choose create shortcut and give it a name, Google Flights, and click on create button, and it will create the shortcut of Google Flights on your desktop. If you click on that, it will automatically redirect you to google.com/flights every single time. And it will save your time also. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.